God bless you all, my graceful fans. Find out how I made this beautiful cake. Welcome back to Graceful Cakes. Another day for another beautiful decoration. Today I'm doing a square shaped cake, and I'm using royal icing. Using royal icing. Find out how to make royal icing. If you want me to show you how to make that, you can just leave a comment for me and I'll drop a video on how to make royal icing. I covered the first layer of the cake with royal icing color white. I covered the whole cake with that. In short, something very funny happened with this cake. I lost some part of the videos, so I can't show you everything, but you're going to get the major aspects. Basically, the covering of the cake. It's the ending part that got cut off. I lost it, lost the video, but I'm going to tell you everything. Someday, like they say, it's a bad hair day. This cake decoration was one wonderful one. Had some stress with it, but it was actually simple, just that I had something else in mind. And you know what they say about creativity: when it doesn't come out the way you want, then you turn it the other way, and then you see in the end that every mistake becomes a very wonderful style for others to copy. So that's the story of this cake. I covered it all. I wanted to put something else on it, and then that didn't come out well, so I just removed what I wanted to put on it and cover the whole square shaped cake like that, and it still came out fine in the end. Thank God for that. Creativity is the key. There's always a way out. Hallelujah. Thank you to all my new and old subscribers. Thank you, my new subscribers, for joining me. Thank you, my old subscribers, for being there always. Please continue to support me with your likes, with your comments, and then with your shares. Share this video to all your friend list, please. I would really appreciate that. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that quickly by touching that letter that shows red, written in red, that says subscribe. Touch it now and it will change from red to show that you are now my supporter, a graceful fan, and you will really be glad you did, because there are so many beautiful things for you here to learn and enjoy. So this is royal icing, and I'm covering this cake with royal icing. There's one funny thing about icing in summer. It can give you some funny things that you didn't expect because of the heat. So your sugar can begin to melt if you're not careful, so you have to be careful. The texture and the mixture of your cream. Hallelujah. All right, so we have here buttercream, everything covered in white, and what I did was to make another royal icing, but this with blue color, and I piped it around. That is the part that you won't get to see, the piping with the blue, and then the mixture with the yellow. I mixed it with blue and yellow. I piped it around like blue flowers, and then in between at intervals added yellow just to bring out the color, and it came out all beautiful in the end, all the same. I'm just smoothing in the edges, I think it's actually easier covering with buttercream than with icing sugar, because the egg white which you add makes it kind of slippery, and if you aren't careful it can spoil things for you. And then it also melts faster in this hot season, summer. If it was winter, you won't even notice, everything will just dry up fast. But in the heat, in summer, it can melt very fast, so you have to be very careful. So I'm sorry I didn't get to show you the part of the blue piping mixed with the yellow. That's the part I lost. I made this cake for my church anniversary. Like I said, I wanted to add the number 7 on top, but I had some accident along the line and had to just leave it out. So I got the perfect shape for the blue and the perfect shape for the square and covered it with blue. Yeah, you can see the finishing. This is the finishing of the cake. Sorry you didn't get to see how I piped it around, but I've showed you a lot of piping skills before. Thank you for watching. Bye.